So today we're going to make pesto. We're going to make a really traditional, there's a lot of different ones you can make, but we are going to make a traditional basil pesto. And I've washed this and I've got it sitting in the towel to dry. We don't want it too wet. We'll just kind of keep drying it out. Need 2 cups. These are pretty big plants, so this stem is tough. We don't want that in our pesto. We want to get the leaves all off. And I have plenty of basil, so we don't need to worry about that. The little top stems are okay, but mostly you want to just get the stems picked off. Sorry, I got quiet. And once we have about 2 cups, we will start with all of our ingredients. I think we're probably just about there. Like I said, those little stems are fine, but these big ones will get woody and you don't want those in your pesto because they just won't grind up very fine and they'll taste stringy. We don't want stringy. We want smooth, beautiful pesto. Okay, I think we got about 2 cups. So we're going to put our 2 cups in here. Might be a little over, but that's okay. See how that looks stringy? We're going to take that off. So it says put in the basil, add the olive oil, cheeses, garlic, and pine nuts and salt, and crushed until it formed a paste if you were doing it by hand. We are doing it in here, so we're just going to put all of our ingredients in together. I like to add the olive oil actually at the end. I think it gets a little better. You don't need a lot of salt. There's a lot of salty cheese in there, but you can put a little bit in for flavor. I have this great little device that will peel your garlic for you. It's awesome. It comes out peeled. So we need 4 cloves of garlic. These are pretty big cloves, but I like garlic, so we don't mind that. Actually, everyone in our family likes garlic. So that really just is so nice. It's the quickest way to do it. Sometimes you can get a garlic press that actually, you can just put it in with the peeling on too, and that'll take care of itself. I have to get a knife. You do a couple different things with this. There's a couple different ways to handle garlic. This says chopped, so we can just roughly chop it. I'm just taking the little stems off the top. You can also smash it, and since this is going to get all pureed, I'm not going to go through the work of chopping it. I'm just going to smash it. So you just take the big flat end of your knife and go. Whoop, whoop. And then you make your dogs nervous. Back of your hand, not your fingertips, and nothing near the blade of the knife when you're doing that. So all of our ingredients for pesto are in the food processor. You can certainly do it by hand, but we're going to do it this way. The only thing not in here is the oil, which we're going to add. And that's going to be loud, so I'm going to stop talking for a minute. Blend it up a little bit more. We still have some big pieces in there. Won't take much longer. And just like that, beautiful homemade pesto. You can use it for bruschetta, which has been on my mind lately, like I said. Or, better still, one of the things my kids really like, we make pesto chicken. We take chicken breasts, slather them with pesto, cook them on the grill, and then once they're cooked, sometimes we eat them with pasta and sauce, or pasta and olive oil and Parmesan cheese. Lots of options. But there's a million things you can do with pesto, but there's nothing like having it homemade. Um, there's some okay store-bought ones, but this is just going to be the best. And again, allow them the opportunity to smell it. It's strong but delicious smelling. It smells like pizza kind of. So I think most kids kind of like that. And we have this. It's beautiful and yummy and delicious.